In this video, we are going to see that if you want to change the criteria in subtotal and apply it to a different situation, how we can do that. So in the previous example, we have created the subtotals for months. So we have sorted the months. Now, if we want the salesperson total for all of these fields, how we can do it? It's very simple. We can just sort it first, A to Z. And once it's sorted and all of these salesperson are put together, what we can do is just go to data, apply subtotals, and this time at each change in salesperson, what do you want to do? I want to sum number of units sold, customer reach, sales amount, and profit. For all of these, replace the current subtotals, summary below the data, all okay, click OK. And we have the sales total created at the end of each salesperson for all of these fields. And we have the 3 levels as well. If we click on 2, we see the summary that if we manually create, it will take us a lot of time. And if we click on 1 level, we have the grand total. Now, if you want to remove any subtotal, it's very simple as well. Just go to the data, simply click on subtotals and remove them all. And that should bring you back to the original data. So that's how we can apply or change the criteria by sorting the other column and applying the subtotal there. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.